a better country. Finally, when I was in America, I asked for an appointment with President Barrack Obama. And I was just asking him for one thing. I'm an alumni of Nairobi University. And I told Barack Obama, your father was an alumni of Nairobi University. I requested him to assist us set up a school in the fashion of Kennedy School of Leadership in Harvard. But this time, to be a school of leadership in Nairobi University, and I asked him, let us call it Barack Obama School of Leadership in Nairobi University. And Barack Obama agreed, and he will come here next year so that we can, and he has undertaken that he's going to mobilize support for a sustainable school of leadership, because leadership is serious, and we want you guys to be better than us, go read, go learn about leadership so that we can have better leaders tomorrow. I agree with the DP sometimes when you can accumulate a lot of it, and then when we can say prior learning, you can be given, nowadays you can get a certificate. But those of you who are younger, you can go to school. You don't have to wait for long and learn something, and we can all benefit from this. Sometimes we take for granted. We take leadership for granted. And we fail to recognize that there is some learning, there is some, something people can learn about leadership and can help them to be better leaders.